Everybody for watching this video. Today I will show how to make this object in Solidworks software. Actually I tried to make a sliding object but I did not get whatever I have expected. So at first I am taking the new file. Okay. It's taking more time. Okay, then I am selecting the MMGS, then taking the front plane. Okay, then I am selecting the line command, then sketch it from here to here and here to here. Right button is select and select. Okay, smart dimension is selected, then determine the dimension. It will be 100 millimeters and it will be also 100 millimeters. Then exit it. Then I am going to the features, select the extruded boss and click on this line, the sketch. Okay, then I am selecting the mid plane and it will be 80 millimeters. Then okay. Then extrude cut is selected, click on this surface, go to here and select the normal plane. Then I am going to take the corner rectangle and sketch it. Go to the smart dimension and determine it from here to here. It will be 10 millimeters, and from here to here also 10 millimeters, and similarly from here to here also 10 millimeters. Okay, 10 millimeters, and similarly from here to here also 10 millimeters. Okay, done. Then exit it. Then I am selecting the thin feature and it will be 5 millimeters, and this depth also 5 millimeters. Then exit it. Okay. In similar way